On September 28, 2018 at 6:03 p.m. local time, a 7.5 earthquake struck north of Palu, Indonesia on the island of Sulawesi. The resulting 18-foot tsunami left widespread destruction in its path. An MAF aircraft from North Kalimantan and satellite communications team from the United States was dispatched to Palu. MAF is supporting the relief effort through our Indonesian entity, Yayasan MAF Indonesia.
In Palu, Helavida's been working here. Their helicopter, they have a hangar, and they've allowed us to park our Kodiak while we're working out of Palu. All these kids are from interior villages, and they're waiting for flights out. New Tribes, or Ethos 360, they're doing a number of loads today and tomorrow to take the kids back. The military's been flying all their C-130s in, bringing lots of supplies and taking people out. We're setting up our satellite communications. We're trying to anyway. This is the control tower that collapsed. Busiest ramp I have ever been. They've got all sorts of traffic coming through here and every type of airplane. There are all types of helicopters. The military, the airlines are here, Amanda is here, Susie is here. Very busy today. Looks like they've been able to move a lot. Yesterday we weren't able to make it here to Palu because the ramp was overrun by the community. They broke through the gates and they all were trying to scramble onto the airplane. So it looks like the military has gotten things under control. Everybody is now moving around in an orderly fashion, which is good.
Ready left turn to Rudal.
Hotel Sierra, left turn proceed to Rudal, sir. Continue climb 180, contact Balikpapan, correction. Request estimate.
Wednesday morning, and the first C-130 just pulled in. These kids are getting their rides out today, back to their village up in the mountains. This is Hotel de Palu. This is where we're staying for the night, or however many nights we're here. It's just the helicopter hangar. Brought some tents, a place to hang our laundry, a couple hammocks. Pretty nice.
The family I have in the back here, we evacuated out of Palu on my way down to Makassar. They walked for 2 days through the jungle, and they even said they went through a river to try to get out.
I'm waiting to leave to fly down to Makassar to pick up a group from the Swiss embassy. They're gonna come up here and assess the damage as well, see how they can help. And I'm just dropping a couple 100 pounds of fuel out of my airplane that are gonna stay here to help with other flights. The president of Indonesia should be arriving sometime in the next hour, so it's gonna get really busy. The ramp up here. The main ramp has become completely saturated again. All different types of airplanes wanting to help out, but this ramp is really small. So they're having a hard time parking everybody.